Imagine the most delicious plate of mashed potato, beautiful pork sausages, and the best onion gravy you've ever tasted smothered on top. That's what this recipe is, cooked all in one. The first step in this recipe is to make the mince mixture. And now our pork mince is going in, and a bunch of herbs and spices are I gotta remember to stop speaking like that, are going to go into the bowl. Not gonna. Miss! Now, without washing the bowl, we're going to make our gravy. Now, the cool thing about this recipe is it makes a gravy while the mash for the bake cooks on top. We're going to add some beef stock concentrate, some brown sugar, herbs and spices. Now that our potatoes are tender, I'm going to set them aside, finish off the gravy with a little bit of corn flour, some salt and some milk. Done. Bake it in the oven for 20 minutes or until golden brown. So hot, but so good.